our wastewater treatment plant model, which shows how water is purified before being released into the river. Before we begin, let me ask you something. Do you know what happens if factory wastewater goes directly into the rivers?
It pollutes the river and harms fishes and plants.
Exactly. So that is why it is sent here to be purified. First, the water enters the primary treatment stage. It passes through metal screens. These screens remove big objects like plastic, paper, clothes, and much more. Can anyone guess why we remove these big objects first?
Because they can block the machines.
Right. Next, the water goes into the sedimentation tank, where it is allowed to sit still for a while. Heavier particles like sand, soil, and small stones settle at the bottom as sludge. The clearer water on top moves ahead for further cleaning. Now let me hand it over to Navya to speak for secondary treatment.
Thank you. In secondary treatment, we use helpful bacteria to clean the water. In aeration tank, the air is being pumped to help the bacteria grow. The bacteria eat the organic waste present in the water. The water flows into the secondary clarifier. The bacteria settle down as activated sludge and the cleaner water moves ahead. Let me ask you something. Do you know which stage removes most of the organic pollution, primary or secondary?
The secondary treatment does most of the biological cleaning.
Exactly. Now I hand it over to Tanvi for further treatment.
Tertiary treatment is a final step in cleaning wastewater. In this stage, water is purified by removing chemicals and germs using method filter and UV light. Filter to remove very fine dirty particles, UV light to kill germs. After this step, the water is released in lakes, rivers and ponds.
So this is how water is purified to make it clean and safe for use.